Hello guys, share ko lang sa inyo na guys. Ito yung pinakamagandang laban sa 2023 na kung saan pinapatulog ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo ang kanyang kalaban na si Isaac Avilar. Yan, panoorin ng maigi guys. Tingnan nyo, napakagandang laban. Pinabagsak niya muna sa round 3 hanggang sa tinuluyan niya ito guys. Nawalan ito ng malay. So ito yung pinakamagandang laro ni Mark ngayong 2023. Ayan, talagang proud Pinoy. Talagang napaka-proud yung yung ginagawa ni Mark ngayon. Pinapatulog niya, talagang ayaw nang bumangon hanggang sa tinigil na lang ng referee yung kanyang laban. Yan, by knockout yan guys. Ayan, tulog. Ayan, ginising pa ng referee, ayaw nang magising. Ayan. So nawalan ng mala yung kalaban ni Mark. Yan, congrats idol sa lahat ng mga sa lahat ng Filipino boxer diyan. Congrats sa inyo lahat, sa lahat ng mga nanalo ngayong 2023. Ayan, talagang napakagaling talaga yung tira mo sa kaliwa. Ayan, panga talaga ang inabot. Ayan, okay. Ayan guys, pa-share lang po sa video na to para malaman po natin kung hanggang saan nakarating yung video na to. Ayan, pa-comment na lang po sa natin para alam natin kung saan nakarating. Ayan, maraming salamat po, Rockhart Official. Wag po natin kalimutan na mag-subscribe para tuloy-tuloy po yung natin makapanood sa ating ina-upload na short video. Ayan, maraming salamat po.
This combination, there must have been 5 punches there.
And Magsayo knocks down Avilar, who just shakes his head, tries to crack his neck. Baby Janelle watching in Corona is looking. He's attacking. Canelito needs to move, not eat punches like he is right now. Oh, from Magsayo. And Canelito answers with the left. This dude is tough. He does not want to trade with Magsayo. Oh! A huge KO! Magsayo has knocked out Canelito on a huge uppercut, immediately called off. Wow! Let's look at this highlight.
You saw that feint.
Wow.
The way that Magsayo moved. Look at that. The change in direction that he took.
He just dropped.
It completely fooled Avilar. That's what an experienced fighter. Watch this little move. Let's see that pivot and then put him into position to shoot that left hook out.